I personally couldn't think of a better way to start the day. I am selling these Jordan 12s, and I am selling this pair of Jordan 12s too, to the same guy. I guess he just really likes Jordan 12s. Alright, how are you guys doing today? I am doing really good. It is a slow, lazy weekend day in September in Winnipeg, which means that downtown is completely empty. Like, nothing is happening down here today, which I honestly have sort of grown to appreciate. Back when I was living at home, I didn't like weekends because, like, my dad was home, my brother was home, and it was hard for me to focus and work. But now I've grown to like weekends a little bit more. It's a nice little toned down pace of the city, I guess. For me though, I'm still going, I'm still working, I'm still making a video, and we're still going to Livestock to pick up a raffle ticket. As always guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and as always, if you enjoy the content, make sure to hit that like button. We are apparently close to 300K. I honestly don't look at that, but you guys have been telling me in the comments, so I guess we're close to 300K, which is awesome. The shoes that we are going for today, you guys probably have guessed already, is the raffle ticket for the Element 87 times Undercover. We're allowed to pick up one raffle ticket per colorway, which means I can get 3 raffle tickets. So hopefully I win one of these. I'm currently like 0 for 34 on Livestock raffles, but statistically I'm eventually going to win. So hopefully this is going to be the time that I win. Lots of people are saying that this Undercover collab is going to be the sneaker of the year. And I don't know about that, but especially the green and red colorway, I really like them. And if I could buy them, I'd be pretty happy. Oh, sorry. All right, that was super easy. Raffle ticket acquired. And don't try and fill out this code because I have like 5 hours before this video is up. I mean, you could try and do the code, but it wouldn't work. But if you want to, I mean, go for it. What's up, dude? I see you're leaving hate comments on my videos now.
Yeah, Sam. It's because you didn't respond to my messages. Now I'm sad and mad.
Alright, so I picked up Protectant today for one reason, and one reason only. We're going to the Nike outlet. Protectant bought some shorts and there's holes in it, so he's gonna how is there holes in shorts he bought from the Nike outlet?
I don't know, man. They probably wore them and ripped them up.
Whoa, look at that sick white G-Wagon. That one's almost as cool as yours. So we're gonna go there, return his shorts. I'm unfortunately not allowed to film in the Nike outlet, so maybe we'll try and sneak some footage. If not, oh wow, that hole is pretty bad.
It's just there.
We'll get back to you once we check out the store. So we did end up picking up some stuff from the Nike outlet. Obviously you saw a few of the shoes in there. There's nothing crazy that we showed you, but there was some nice Jordan retros in the Jordan section. I did scoop up a pair. I mean, I sold 2 pairs of Jordans today, had some money left over, and I figured, you know what, we're gonna reinvest this money into another pair of Jordans. I know, it's a sickness. I keep on saying I'm gonna get rid of shoes and I keep on buying more. But this pair is really nice. Let's take a look at them. Oh, here is the pair of sneakers that we bought. Now, it's a pair of Jordan retros, as I said, and I'm gonna tell you right off the bat what I paid for it so you guys can form your opinions on whether or not this is a good deal. I got it $100 off retail in Canadian dollars, so realistically it probably would have been around $130 in the States instead of the $190 price tag. So $130 in the States, $100 off in Canada. It is, and I have to say, I really do like the box. I think it's a really well done box. It looks super cool. I believe this is the OG version of the box with the Jordan and the red Jumpman black. It has the pull-off top with the gray, and then I really like how basic the font is on the tag. It is a pair of Jordan 10s, and I actually do not currently own any Jordan 10s. Well, I mean, now I do, but prior to picking these up, I did not own any Jordan 10s. I used to have the Bulls over Broadway, and I used to have the Statue of Liberty, no, sorry, the NYCs. I had the Bulls Over Broadway and the NYCs, the black ones that sort of look like OVOs. Besides that, I don't believe I've ever owned any other pairs of Jordan 10s, and they're a nice shoe. It's just never been one that I've really gravitated towards a whole bunch, but I really like this color, simply because this is something I'll be able to wear all throughout the winter and it's not going to show signs of wear. It is the Jordan 10 Shadow. Now, I actually have a really cool memory of this pair of shoes. It takes us back to when I was in 12th grade and I was sort of into sneakers. I had been into sneakers for about a year. I had been making sneaker YouTube for about 9 months, which means I was probably in sneakers for about 2 years at this point. I'd been doing YouTube for 9 months and we went to this basketball tournament about 2.5 hours out of town. And we were, you know, getting over to our bench. Our game, or the game before us, had just ended, and I was looking down at the other team's shoes that they had, and one of the players on the team that was just playing had this pair of shoes, and I knew it was a pair of Jordan 10s, but I'd never seen this color before simply because I hadn't been in sneakers that long, and I think these came out in 2004 the last time we saw them, or maybe 2008. But anyway, I was like, wow, that is a sick looking pair of shoes. I really would like to have that because it's nice and simple and it looked really, really good with what he was wearing. And now they came out, I think earlier this year, maybe late last year, and I decided to pick them up today because it's a shoe I've wanted for about 5 years now. And it was sitting there for a really good price. I was like, screw it, we're gonna purchase these. They also did have the olive and black Jordan 13s for really, really cheap. And they did have the black patent leather and red Jordan 9s as well, but I thought this was the best Jordan retro they had sitting there, and probably the best sneaker in general that they had sitting at the mall, or at the Nike outlet. Jordan 10s are great for winter, in my opinion, because it's just a boot-like construction. Like, it feels like a boot. It's thick, it's chunky, it's clunky, it has lots of padding on the ankles. It's a pretty high top Jordan compared to most of the Jordan models. Probably the highest cut Jordan out of any of them besides the Jordan 1. And that's obviously a great recipe if you're trying to wear these in 6 inches of fresh snow like I will be doing on a daily basis in Winnipeg, because living in Winnipeg in the winter sucks in terms of wearing proper footwear, because you're basically limited to boots and Timberlands and super high cut sneakers, and even then your feet are still gonna freeze off, so there's really no solving that. But this pair of kicks, I think, is gonna hold up pretty good. Now the suede, I am gonna have to water protect it, but I'm going to use Rejuvenator for that. Rejuvenator has an awesome clear water protectant spray. If you guys would like to pick that up, I'll leave a link down in the description. It's an awesome product. I've used it on my shoes before, and you can save 10% if you wanna use the code RayRay. This is not sponsored. I don't make money off of that code, just lets you guys save some money. The checkerboard pattern on the inside of this shoe is actually quite cool as well. I really like that. It's a little bit of a difference from just the monotonous black and gray tones outside. Just breaks up a little bit with that pattern of black and gray instead of just the flat colors. The tumbled leather, it's not good quality. If you're picking up a pair of Jordans in 2018 and expecting quality, I don't know what to tell you. You're usually just not gonna get it. You're gonna get subpar quality at best with a pair of Jordans. But I think this one, it's nothing to complain about. It's not gonna crease badly. It's not gonna hurt your foot. It's not gonna pinch against your foot. And you're gonna really suffer no discomfort by wearing this pair of shoes. Could it be better leather? Yes. Does it get the job done? Yes. Probably gonna put these on ice until we get the first snowfall. I have lots of shoes I want to wear in the fall that I haven't had a chance to wear yet. I want to wear the Wave Runner 700s, wear the Nigel Sylvesters some more. All those shoes that I've been picking up this year and haven't really had a chance to rock that much. These are gonna be a perfect shoe for the snow, middle to end of November. Hopefully, maybe we can even make it till December. I mean, global warming is a thing, so who knows? Maybe beginning of December we get our first snowfall. That would be amazing. I'm gonna wear them when we get the snow. I'm gonna wait until then, and then I'm gonna throw these things on my feet. I have a pretty good rotation of winter shoes that I'm working with, and I think I'll be able to make it through this winter. What do you guys think of this sneaker pickup? Let me know down in the comment section below. I really want to hear your opinions on them. Do you think it's a good pair of kicks? Do you think it's a so-so pair of kicks, or do you think it's an absolutely trash pair of kicks? I'm probably expecting a lot of you guys to not like this pickup. The Jordan 10 is not one of the most popular models by any means, and it's just a black and gray colorway. Lots of people are probably going to say these look like janitor shoes, and you know what? I respect your opinion, but we will have to disagree on this one. That being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys, appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I truly do. All you guys that tune in every single day, part of the Real Fam. If you guys are still watching to this point, comment Real Fam in the comment section down below, and I'll go show some love, respond to some of you guys, like, see me comments, and all of that good stuff. That being said, I need to get out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So until then, peace.